Open the AI assistant. This is the command center where a pharmacy owner can ask questions, create records, and review action results without leaving the chat page. Create pharmacy products by natural language. The assistant adds paracetamol, amoxicillin, and vitamin C with SKU, price, unit, reorder level, and expiry-aware pharmacy notes. Now open the Real Products page. The newly created AI Pharmacy Live medicines are visible in the catalog with SKUs, product type, units, prices, reorder levels, and active status. Next, ask the assistant to create a purchase order for medicine restocking. It uses an existing supplier, adds the selected products, and returns a created purchase order action chip. Open purchase orders and search the live supplier. The AI-created purchase order appears with PO number, supplier, item count, total amount, and draft status. Now create a pharmacy sale. The assistant bills a walk-in customer for medicines, applies cash payment, and records the sale through the sales invoice workflow. Open sales history and search the live invoice. The saved sale appears with the real customer, invoice number, payment status, totals, and sales KPIs. Reports can also be generated from chat. Ask for pharmacy stock risk, purchase summary, sales report, best sellers, and reorder advice, and the assistant writes a manager-ready report. Open the AI action log. Every product, purchase order, and sales invoice created by AI is visible with user, tool, timestamp, success status, and backend results summary. In summary, the pharmacy owner can use the AI assistant to set up products, restock medicines, create sales, and generate useful reports from one chat workflow.